Hi, my name is Konstantinos Zarafonitis and I'm a 3D motion designer and art director, currently working in the advertising and film industry. I have over 10 years of experience working with some of the biggest clients domestically and abroad, and I'm here to welcome you to the world of animation. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. I hear you thinking, what is animation? Well, animation is the magical art of making still images, vector graphics, or 3D objects move, interact, show emotions, creating a sense of life and realism. Think of your favorite cartoons, animated films, or video games. They come to life through animation. Animation combines art and technology to create moving pictures. It can be 2D, like classic cartoons and vector graphics, or 3D, like Pixar movies and video games. Animation is everywhere, from movies and TV shows to apps and websites. Animation has a rich history that dates back centuries. It started with simple drawings and evolved into the amazing films we see today. Early forms include flipbooks, zoetropes, and shadow puppets. Let's mention a few milestones. In 1928, Mickey Mouse made its debut in Steamboat Willie, marking the start of synchronized sound in animation. In 1995, Toy Story became the first ever fully computer-animated feature film, revolutionizing the industry. In the 2000s, the rise of digital animation tools opened new doors for creative expression. Animation works using frames and movement. It's all about creating the illusion of movement, achieved by showing a series of images in quick succession. These images are called frames. This is known as the frame rate, and it's typically set at 24 frames per second for film, but varies depending on the situation. But how do we start animating, and which principles do we follow? Introducing the 12 principles of animation. Think of them as the Bible of animation. These principles, created by Disney animators, help make animations feel alive. They include squash and stretch, that gives weight and volume to the characters, anticipation, which prepares the audience for an upcoming action, staging, that directs the viewer's attention to the most important action. There are many more, and we'll cover them in detail over the next videos. Familiarizing yourself with these principles is key to becoming a great animator. Let's explore the different styles. 2D animation. Traditional drawings made to move. Think of classic cartoons like Tom and Jerry, or Japanese anime shows often use software like Adobe After Effects, Animate, Toon Boom Harmony, with the help of Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. 3D animation utilizes computer software to create lifelike characters and environments as seen in movies like Frozen or Avatar. Industry standard software are Blender, Autodesk Maya, Cinema 4D, 3D Studio Max, Houdini, and more. Stop motion. It involves taking photos of real objects like clay figures and moving them slightly over time. One photo equals one frame. The total number of frames per second is decided by the director of the film. Popular films include The Nightmare Before Christmas, Pinocchio, and Coraline. Motion graphics. Motion graphics focuses on animated graphic design, often seen in commercials and title sequences, used for infographics, promotional videos, and social media content. Virtual reality and augmented reality. These are emerging technologies where animation is used to create immersive experiences in game and mobile applications. What you need to get started. First, you need some software. Popular programs are Adobe After Effects, which is the king of motion graphics, 2D animation, title sequences, and visual effects. Blender is a free software where you can create pretty much everything regarding the world of 3D, from character modeling and animation to texturing, lighting, and rendering. Toon Boom Harmony is ideal for 2D animation. Autodesk Maya is industry standard for 3D animation and is the most common 3D package in the biggest studios around the world. Then, you need some hardware. A good computer with a powerful graphics card is essential. A drawing tablet can enhance your 2D animation experience. Concept development. Start with an idea. What story do you want to tell? Who are your characters and what drives them? Storyboarding. Sketch out your story to plan the animation. This acts as a blueprint for your project. Creating assets. Design characters, backgrounds, and props. Think about their colors and styles. Animation. Bring everything to life using the principles of animation and various other techniques. Editing. Add sound, music, and final touches to polish your work. This is where magic happens. Feedback. Share your work with other people and seek constructive criticism to improve. Entertainment industry. Animation is widely used in movies, television shows, and video games, creating engaging stories and experiences. Advertising. Companies use animation in commercials to grab attention and convey messages in a fun and memorable way. Education. Animated videos make learning more interactive and engaging, helping students understand complex concepts easily, exactly like the ones you watch here. Medical and scientific visualization. Animations help explain complex procedures or concepts in medicine and science, making them more accessible. Architecture and design. Animators create visualization of buildings and environments, allowing clients to see their projects before they're built. Animation offers a variety of career paths such as animator, motion designer, 3D modeler, 3D texturing artist, storyboard and concept artist, 2D or 3D character animator, and visual effects artist. You get started by practicing your skills, building a portfolio, and seeking feedback from others. Networking and connecting with industry professionals can open doors for internships and job opportunities. The magic of animation awaits. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and tell stories. Whether you want to create your own cartoons or work on blockbuster films and video games, the world of animation is full of possibilities. Now it's your turn. Start exploring, practicing, and most importantly, having fun. The only limit is your imagination. Remember, every great animator started as a beginner. Keep learning, experimenting, and enjoy the journey. We're here with you every step of the way. Thank you for watching. I'm Konstantinos, and I'll see you in the next video.